Today we're doing a centerpiece for your dining room table, specifically with fresh flowers. We have chosen our little dish and we have put our foam in it, our floral foam, and had previously soaked the floral foam so that it's good and wet, added water, and then we added greens so that it would make a nice full arrangement. Now we're going to add a few flowers. Different flowers give a different atmosphere. If you did all roses in here, it would be a very formal arrangement. And maybe a little on the romantic side. If you used all daisies, you could have a country type of arrangement. And if you mixed your flowers, it would just be a beautiful round bouquet of flowers. So the choice is yours. You can go to a flower shop or sometimes even your local grocery store, although being a floral shop owner, I don't recommend buying flowers at the grocery store, mostly because they have been there for quite some time and not been treated as delicately as we treat our flowers. In the flower shop, when we get our flowers, we treat them with special flower food and trim them especially to be able to soak up that flower food, and that way they last longer.